Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys had a great weekend, month. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, but a lot of shit has been going on. So I finally took some time out from my day to make a video for you guys on this hair. I did record a video on how to dye this hair, but that video is gone, so I can't make up for that video. But hopefully sometime soon I can find another wig that I can reconstruct again and film it for you guys so that you guys know how I dye my wigs. Paprika, cayenne pepper to dye this hair mixed together. I did bleach this wig, it was a honey mocha, and this wig is also by Divas Wigs. So this is also not a sponsored video, I just decided to make it. It's a 22-inch wig. And yeah, you guys probably saw this in my recent video, in my other previous videos of this hair, but it didn't have bangs in it. Yeah, you want to learn how to cut these bangs, what I use to straighten my hair. Yeah, I'll let you guys continue watching this video. Give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you really want to see more of my videos. I'm also going to be uploading vlog videos from me to my castings in LA vlogs, me traveling, hiking. I'm also going to do some maybe like morning workouts maybe, and we'll see what goes on from there. So I'm gonna start off with this dome cap. Usually I would wear a stocking cap under my wigs, but since I'm gonna make a bang one with this, it doesn't really matter. And I also have my hair like in a bun slick back. You can have your hair braided back. Straighten this wig, it's been washed. We're gonna see how this goes. I'm thinking about like making a pink wig and a silver wig, but like I don't know any like good blonde wigs, you know. No, this is not a sponsored video. Okay, so you see this? Look, the track is like right there. So we're not gonna have our bangs like thick as fuck because we don't need to, even though thick is good. My comb got melted. Make sure your wig isn't slid back. You want to have the lace on your where you would normally put it, because you don't want it to like glue it down and then your bangs are so high up right here or like so far down right here. You could also glue your wig down before you do this. I just choose not to because I didn't have it glued on. You want to wet your hair, but since my hair is straight, this wig is a straight wig, I don't need to. I'm gonna cut it about right here. We have a place where we actually want to cut it. I'm gonna put mine above my nose. I'm cutting it above my nose. Now we look crazy. Also, I did heat up a flat iron. To remove the wig, you probably handle this. With dealing with bolt hold, you have to clean the surface where you're going to lay your wig at. So, for instance, you have to clean it with rubbing alcohol. You can use a cotton pad or Q-tips. I'm gonna use Q-tips. I did wash my face. I don't have any foundation on. I just have highlight, blush, and I did my brows, but I didn't put any concealer on. So yeah. Grab your got-to-be. When you use, okay, I'm gonna use this to spread the got-to-be, the bolt hold on my scalp. Not on my scalp, but on my hairline. I'm not gonna put a lot. Taking my blow dryer, I'm going to blow dry this until it becomes tacky and clear. You want it to be like very clear because you don't want any white residue stuck onto your wig, and that's the worst. It's gonna look really shiny and sticky looking. It's not gonna look cute. Sometimes I will see on YouTube, I look like a troll. I would, hold on. Anyways, I would see them mark down where to lay the glue at. But if you've done this so many times with got-to-be glue, you know where you want to lay your hairline. Who's this?
Somebody fucking texted me the wrong number. I was trying to act like him, but I think she ended up finding out I was the wrong person. And I said Corey.
Anyways, so I'm gonna be lazy and not glue the rest down because, yeah.
Wait.
Okay, now we can straighten our bangs. It's not fully dried, Actually, I'm gonna blow dry the hairline. Actually, okay, this is kind of fucked up. Cause I'm sweating, guys. I'm fucking sweating. So you want to blow dry this on cool setting because you don't want the glue to melt. So now that's secured, it's not going anywhere. Brush this hair one more time. And then we're gonna put some hair oil on it so we can start straightening it. Oh. I didn't read the directions. Do 2 pumps of oil evenly through wet hair using hands. Okay, we're gonna try this one is dry. It says use when it's wet. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the bangs first. I wish I had like a better straightener. I had this Lioness, however you say it, straightener. It was so bomb, but the ceramic part broke. Just like, wow. Didn't even last me a whole year. It was like the best. I'd rather have like a straightener that doesn't do any damage to my hair. I'm not an expert at straightening hair, so get at me if you want to, I don't care. Okay, I'm gonna fix some parts of my bangs. Cute. I like to take tips from makeup artists and hair stylists and do them for myself, because if I see that it works during on set or throughout my day, I'm gonna try it out. Like, I'm gonna be like, yes, heck yeah. I'm also gonna do like an update about what's going on. Okay, how cute. Dye this hair with Adore. I use cayenne and paprika. So yeah. I feel like an anime character.